Hi, I'm Bill from CJ Pony Parts. One of the things that Classic Design Concepts is really well known for is their high-end styling products for the late model Mustangs. On our 2005 GT, so far we've installed their light bar, their windscreen. We also installed their classic front spoiler and finished it off with their front splitter. Ever since we installed it though, we loved the way it looked. We felt like it was missing something on the side. CDC obviously agreed with us and recently introduced a rocker kit that we're going to install today on our 2005 Mustang GT. This is the CDC splitter kit that'll fit your 2005 through 2014 Mustang. The kit includes a pair of left and right splitters, detailed instructions which also have a template in there, and everything you need for installation. Double stick tape, promoter, even alcohol pads, and new push pins are all included by CDC. For this installation, you'll need a lift or a jack and jack stands, scissors, a punch, a drill, a 1/4-inch drill bit, and safety glasses. To make the install as easy as possible, you want to start by getting the car off the ground. You actually can do this install with the car on the ground. You'll have to drill 2 holes, one in the front and one in the back of the rocker. To do so on the ground, you would need a 90-degree drill. So getting it up off the ground a little bit, ramps, jack stands, you don't necessarily need a lift, but anything like that will make it easier. Once you get it off the ground, you want to clean the rocker and then grab the supplied alcohol and go over where the tape's going to stick. The CDC splitters are going to be held on by double stick tape and push pins, basically the same way the factory rocker is held on. It's going to mount right here underneath the rocker, just inside this edge, about 1/16 of an inch roughly. What you want to do is just inside this edge, we're going to clean it with alcohol, then adhesion promoter, and then finally double stick tape. After the alcohol, we'll apply the adhesion promoter. Once you get the adhesion promoter on, you actually will let that set up for a couple minutes and then we can install our double stick tape. Once the promoter is set up, now we can install the double stick tape. Again, about 1/16 of an inch, so just underneath this lip where it goes flat is where you want to put the tape. Now we'll also want to apply the adhesion promoter to both splitters, pretty much just right over where the holes are. The 2005 through 2009 models are the ones that require the additional holes to be drilled. What you'll want to do is go to the back of the instructions and cut out both of these templates. The template's going to fit in a location underneath the rocker. Use a center punch and drill a 1/4-inch hole. Do the same for the rear. Don't worry about drilling through the tape. That's not a problem. Before we put the splitter up into place, you want to peel back the first couple inches of the double stick tape. Put it up on the rocker, put a piece of tape up there to hold it in place. Do the same for the front and back. Now you want to grab the splitter and 2 of the provided push pins. We're going to put a splitter up into place and put a push pin in both the front and rear hole that we just drilled. Once the 2 pins are in place, we'll go back up front, we'll remove our tape, and grab the red tape from the double stick, pull it back, and as you're pulling it back, press it into place. Once you have the tape removed, you'll grab a handful of push pins, go back to the splitter, everywhere you see an extra hole, we're going to drill a hole with our drill, install a push pin. Start in the middle, work your way outward. Even at stock height, the CDC rocker splitters give the car a lowered look and tie in perfectly with the front splitter we already installed. Installation, as we showed you, is pretty straightforward, probably taking only around an hour. You'll be back on the road in no time.